The Psychology of Money. Chapter 4. Confounding Compounding. Warren Buffett is the richest investor of all time. But if you want to know his secret, don't look at his investing skills. Look at his age. Warren Buffett is a financial genius, yes. But his real secret is time. Buffett began investing when he was 10 years old. By the time he was 30, he had a net worth of $1 million, adjusted for inflation, that is $9.3 million today. But here is the crazy part, $81.5 billion of Warren Buffett's $84.5 billion net worth came after his 65th birthday. In Chapter 4, Morgan Housel explains that our brains are not built to handle this kind of math. We think linearly, 1, 2, 3, 4, but compounding is exponential, 2, 4, 8, 16. If you ask someone to calculate 8 plus 8 plus 8 in their head, they can do it instantly. If you ask them to calculate 8 by 8 by 8, their brain shuts down. This is why we underestimate the power of waiting. Let's look at the Ice Ages. Scientists used to think the Ice Ages were caused by massive events, like the Earth moving or the sun getting colder. But it turns out, the Ice Ages were caused by tiny changes in the Earth's tilt. Just a tiny bit less sunlight melted a tiny bit less snow in the summer. That leftover snow reflected more sunlight, which cooled the Earth, which created more snow. Over thousands of years, a tiny change covered the world in ice. You don't need tremendous force to create tremendous results. You just need something small that keeps growing without interruption. In 2026, we have lost this patience. We see 20-year-olds getting rich on crypto and we think, if I don't double my money this year, I am failing. But good investing is not about earning the highest returns. It is about earning pretty good returns that you can stick with for the longest period of time. So, what is the advice for us? How do we use this? You need to accept that the most powerful force in finance is also the most boring, doing nothing. Plant the tree. Water it. And then, for the love of God, stop digging it up to check if the roots are growing. Compounding only works if you leave it alone. The hardest part of getting rich is having the patience to wait for the math to work. Next up, we will discuss the difference between getting wealthy and staying wealthy, and why paranoia is a virtue. Class dismissed.